Hi, I'm Jody from Sportsmith's Tech Support Team. We get calls from people who think their new treadmill belt is too short. We are making this video to address some of those concerns. Most people think their new belt is too short for one of two reasons. Either they've compared it to their old belt so there's a difference in length, or their new belt just doesn't seem long enough to install all hardware or brackets on the machine during installation. The reasons for this are that the belt will stretch some over time, the belt will stretch some on install, and the manufacturer has a tolerance in production of plus or minus a fraction of an inch. The combination of these things can make it seem the belt is entirely too short when in fact it is a new belt ready for use. To help install the belt, try the following. Unroll the belt sometime before and let it flatten and acclimate to the environment. Use a pry tool to help pull the rear roller back enough to start the bolts. Make several turns before removing pressure from the pry tool. This will prevent damage to the rear roller or the bolt threads. This completes our video about treadmill belts. Thanks for your support during our 20+ years in the business.